This is what I hear from my girlfriend. I know she loves me and I give her all my heart. She knows I care for her. I try to give her all mine, but now I see true love really here. There's nothing like true love on my own. I tried everything that I ever tried. I thought maybe I could try make it right, but I see she can't appreciate. I give her all my heart, I give her all my life. Try to risk my life over here, but she never say anything. Now I see true love never exists, and I never see that again in my life. I never trust anyone, no bitches, no girls, no anyone to trust other than the parent. They'll never ever be trusted. I see now I get my life all alone. I'm living all alone, walking all alone, but besides I understand Jesus is on my back, watching me daily basis. Nowhere could I go, but I just keep going because He keeps me going. I will say that one more and again. He is my Father, I'll never ever run away. Without Him, He is always become me. I know He is the Father of all nations. Living my life, He always lead me in that basis. I understand. People say whatever they say, I will come to them like, oh no, I'm Prince G, Chief X, ever be here.